Hello food lovers, today we'll be making one of the West African traditional soup known as bitter leaf soup and also known as Ofe Onugbu in Igbo culture. And we'll be using assorted meat, stockfish, crayfish and of course bitter leaf. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how it's properly cooked. So watch this video to the end and learn the step-by-step way on how to make bitter leaf soup. So guys, let's ride in.
Now me and you go live, Asa. If I no marry you, I go die, Asa. If you name me my sobugomo, Asa. You dey make me lose control, Asa. You, Asa, I go drink a garri with the petrol, Asa. I go sell all my property for our wedding ceremony. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me die yo. Asa, now you be the one way I love you. Asa, then the talk say I go leave you but na lie yo. Asa, Asa, if you name me my sobugobo. Asa, I beg you make you no break in my heart. Asa. Anything you want, I go buy you. Asa, Asama. If my money no reach, I go borrow. Asa, Asama. I don't know what I do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me well. Asa, now you with me go leave. Asa, if I don't marry you, I go die. Asa, Asa, it be like say I don't crazy. Asa, your love they turn me around. Asa, Asa, Asa pete wanyoma. Asa, Asa, omale chama. Asa, Asa, Asa pete wanyoma. Asa, omale chama. Asa, Asa, Asa pete wanyoma. Asa, omale chama. Asa, enene bejolo. Omo masaro. Asa, achalugo. Enene bukwe. Asa, Asa, Asa pete wanyoma. Asa, Asa, Asa pete